Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back here with another video. And as you see from the title, we're going on the Z Cruise. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like the biggest one in Michigan. So, you know, we gotta start it off with the cold start. I'm so excited for this. Alright, I'll hop in the back end video when we get there. Alright, we made it, y'all. It's a nice little turnout. We made it out the group chat. Look at this DE. The carbon cover. The teehees. Okay. Got the supercharged John. Dude, this thing is so clean, bro. Like, what? Dude, with the white wheels are actually like completed. And the Nismo bumper. Look at all the Hot Wheels in there. It's actually insane. Just D. I'm fucking dead. There we got another DE. Bro, I don't see yellow Z's at all. No, the yellow is cool. Oh, here's Kinetics intake. Okay, okay. Yeah, BTW out here. Okay, okay. Another DE. Bro, everybody got big old wings. Oh, they have the same wing. Big old carbon wings. Big wing gang. Okay, okay. The Resi with the white Cosmos. These ones are actually sick. Got another HR. Or actually, wait, hold on. Let's see. Is it an HR? Okay, it's gonna have. Yup, it's an HR. Okay, okay. Do I need these taillights? Get rid of taillights. Oh, yeah, you got the HR plate. Hell yeah. The clear tails actually make it on the black. Yeah, I seen this Z coming up when we were on the highway. Nice OZ. Oh, and it's a wait. Oh, it's a rev up. I said I think it's a rev up. Yeah. Another DE. Yo, pretty much, it's like all the 350s, then all the 370s.
I know, I saw that.
I didn't even notice that until like right now.
I thought they did that on purpose.
Actually, I guess not yet. Got Hunter over here with the Nismo. I can't wait to put this tent on. I have it literally in the closet.
You do?
Yes. I'm only gonna do the front windshield though.
You're gonna put it on yourself?
Hell no.
Oh.
I'm getting
I was like, wow, that's
Corey to do it for me. Oh, dude, he got the license plate 350Z. Can I put that in to see if somebody had it?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Actually, dude, I low-key like the Nismo bumper in person more. Like, on pictures, I didn't really like it. No, because this is a 370 bumper, but they like, it's a KBD one, so they made it so it's a 350Z. Because like, look at the black Nismo, the 370, and look at this bumper. It's a 370 bumper.
I like it.
Damn.
Well, those were done. So like I bought.
Oh, with the Brembos? Okay. We got the Kinetics.
Yeah. Yeah, everything up top has
Okay.
been done. It's running bigger injector.
Everybody got clear tails. I love it. So like this is what I mean, where they had like the red little strip, like for the 350.
Oh yeah.
But like, it goes hard. Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Betty? I know, yes, bro. Dude, the stance is crazy. My boy, bro, he be scraping everywhere. Like, everywhere he goes, my boy's laying for him. Okay. Dude, I need to lower my Z. Like, seeing just like the back, mine is just like up here, bro. It's so high. The red Z lineup? Bro, this carbon wing is crazy.
I like it.
No, it's sick as hell. Oh, Nissan. That's sick.
Is
With the carbon hood and the carbon mirror caps? Okay. Sheesh. I got my boy Jesus. With the Nismo. And the Z1 wheels. Okay, I see you. We got a red V1. Bro, these wheels are so sick. Oh yeah, we saw this one at the meet the other day. At the R5 meet.
Oh.
Yeah. Cause this is parked up next to that old, the first gen Z.
Oh yeah.
The other red one. Oh, I like the plate.
I know, I do like that.
With the ad hands.
Oh, I really like that.
No, like the wheels are sick. Oh, I didn't even know this was like a blue. Wait, is it like a black?
Oh. It's like a, it almost is like a navy blue, but like.
But like
darker.
not. Okay, no, the color's actually
That's
like,
like
it's like a
trippy.
sleeper color.
That's like trippy.
That is trippy.
No. Quinn,
Oh, is it off the
reflecting
blue?
this
No, that's.
off of it. 'Cause I was
Oh,
like-
it is.
I know,
Yes.
because if you use
No,
the
dude.
back, I'm like, no.
Yeah, I was just like, but dude, the sparkle though. My G didn't do that.
We're dumb as fuck.
Yeah, we're a little slow. We're a little slow. It's okay.
I was like, wait a minute.
Do you like the Newsies?
No,
So like
not really,
370
I'm not gonna
next to the
lie.
new one. Really?
Well, I don't like the back. Like, I'll like,
What?
I don't know. I don't like this.
It's a homage to the old Z, cause that's how it was, the 300ZX. But nobody has one
I
here.
like this one.
No, yeah. The VR30. Okay. Dude, the ESRs are actually sick.
Do you like that one? I like this one.
Got some more Z's that rolled up. Nice 370 with the Cosmos wheels. Can't see me. I'm dead. Z Fiend. Bro, I'm so annoyed I didn't put my fucking license plate on. Dude, everybody has like.
Had it for like a few days.
I know. I just forgot.
Where'd you put it?
It's on my desk.
Oh.
God, that was the white one. Then we got the chunky boy.
Oh, you haven't seen it?
Mid-mount 350. Built motor. Yeah, no, this dude's gonna gap everybody here. Now on the Aztec wheels.
Straight up.
Dude.
That was all.
This route is actually fun.